Hello learner, in this video we are going to see about the weighted average profit method, how to calculate the value of goodwill by using weighted average profit method. Now step number 1, that first of all we need to give the weight to the profit. The oldest year will get the lower weight, the latest year will get the higher weight. By this way you need to allocate the weight 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like. Step number 2, फाइंड आउट द वेटेड प्रॉफिट. वेटेड प्रॉफिट कैसे निकालना है, तो आपको निकालना पड़ेगा प्रॉफिट मल्टीप्लाई बाय द वेट दैट यू हैव गिवन. उन दोनों का मल्टीप्लिकेशन इज कॉल्ड वेटेड प्रॉफिट. एंड देन यू नीड टू डू द टोटल ऑफ वेटेड प्रॉफिट डिवाइडेड बाय टोटल वेट. दैट बाय दिस वे यू विल गेट द वेटेड एवरेज प्रॉफिट, दैट इज टोटल वेटेड प्रॉफिट डिवाइडेड बाय टोटल वेट. Step number 3 is goodwill. Weighted average profit that you have found out in step number 2 multiply by number of year of purchase. आपको that is again given in the question. Now let us see one example to get the clear idea. The profit of the firm for the 5 years are as follows. Calculate the value of goodwill based on 3 years of purchase of weighted average profit based on weights, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 respectively. यानी कि जो सबसे पुराना ईयर है उसको हमें वेट देना है 1, then 2, 3, 4 एंड लेटेस्ट ईयर को हमें देना है 5 नंबर. सो बाय दिस वे ईयर 2021-22 से लेके 2025-26 तक हमें प्रॉफिट दिया हुआ है, राइट. उसे हमें वेट देना है 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, राइट. एंड टोटल करना है. अभी वेटेड प्रॉफिट कैसे मिलेगा, देखो यहाँ पे profit multiplied by weight, यानी कि 20,000 multiplied by 1 you will get the weighted profit of that year 20,000. 24,000 multiplied by 2 you will get 48,000. 30,000 multiplied by 3 90,000. 25,000 multiplied by 4 1 lakh. 18,000 multiplied by 5 you will get 90,000. So by this way every year weighted profit will be found out, and then we need to do the total of weighted profit, that is 3,48,000, and total of weight, that is 15. Now weighted average profit is equal to 3,48,000 divided by 15, you will get 23,200. Now goodwill का formula, weighted average profit multiply by number of year of purchase, that is given in the question 3 years. It is given in the question 3 years purchase. So multiply by 3 करेंगे, you will get the value of goodwill, that is 69,600. Thank you.